All right, it's Senior Prestige Motorsports. We're in the assembly room here, and we're going to go over a quick little assembly topic here. So a lot of you heard the phrases of dialing in camshafts, degreeing in a camshaft, things of that nature. So here at Prestige, we check every cam's position. Very, very, very important. You figure you have a camshaft that could be ground not correct. You got a timing chain that's basically maybe not correct, and then you also have the situation with the keyway and the crankshaft not being correct. So you have three variables that could cause you to think the camshaft's in a certain position, but it's really not. So we go to the effort here to make sure to check it. So degreeing a camshaft in with a degree wheel, things of that nature, is a timely process. So we adopted many years ago what we call TDC method. And I'm just going to kind of explain. I'm going to do this one real fast so you can kind of see it. So basically what we've done here is we've got our deck gauge and we've got an indicator on our intake lobe. So coming around to TDC, and basically you get it to TDC, and we do it just the stop method, right when it stops. And you can do, there's different ways of doing it and stuff like that, as long as you're consistent on what you do. So now we take it and we zero our indicator, and we want to see how much lift on this camshaft is at TDC. So we're going to back it up. So it's 100, it's 90, roughly 93 thousandths lift at TDC. So we typically use 99% comp cams. Comp has for years really got some good documentation on their camshaft profiles and the numbers, the lift numbers at TDC. So you can go to this master catalog here, basically look up your grind number if you know it, and basically find that number. And so that number here will represent what, to say they have two things, 106 intake centerline 110. So basically you can see kind of where you're at, and then you can do some math if you have to. We won't kind of get into that. But it's very accurate and very repeatable. That's the key, repeatable. So we always know where our camshaft's installed at. So a lot of people say, hey, this motor didn't run or didn't run. And sometimes you could be 4, 5, 6 degrees off on what you think it might be. So we always use what we call a crank gear that's notched and it's degreeable. So if we want to change it, we can do that and stuff. So just a kind of quick tip, and when you get your build sheet, it will actually say that in here. We log it, kind of where it's at, things of that nature. So just another Senior Tech Minute there. And thanks for watching it, and have a great day.